Hi guys, I'm Jerusha and you're watching Jerusha Couture TV. If you are wondering what this trench coat is doing hanging behind me, trust me, it plays a principal role in today's video. And with saying that, I would like to thank today's video sponsor, and that is the fashion brand Goelia. Goelia reached out to me and they have worked with other fashion bloggers on YouTube and Instagram, but I feel the most honoured to work with them because they are Sydney based. That's correct. This female high-end luxury clothing brand is based in Sydney, Australia, Pitt Street Mall to be exact, China, Beijing, Shenzhen and Guangzhou. And what's cool, not to brag, I've been to all those places. So today I am wearing their beautiful blouse with beautiful pleating feature on the seams. These items are absolutely exquisite. They are not only incredibly beautiful materials sourced from around the world, they're ethically made. They have the best quality in all of its finishes, all of its detail. I haven't actually touched a high-end brand. I'm calling it high-end because I wouldn't call this high street. They only have that many boutiques, so it's almost, you know, exclusive to those areas. This brand was founded in 1998. Goelia has been traveling across the world for 20 years. The design concept, formed by the fusion of natural and civilization, has won several international design awards. Just to speak on its manufacturing, Goelia has outstanding supply chains, and advanced equipment have enhanced the flexibility of in-house production line. Goelia only works with the top of the league suppliers, ensuring the speedy response to the market. With Goelia's technical team led by masters from Paris with 20 years experience, the past 20 years Goelia has been sharing the beauty of nature and culture in more than 30 cities around the world, carrying out brand vision of travel more, live more. Goelia's theme to their stores is award-winning, embracing nature, skies and seas. These 10,000 square feet boutiques discover the concept of chic, nature and civilization, and being part of a journey to create an oasis inside the city. Each of their stores stand in a different design. Each one is well worth a visit. That is just some of the points to this gorgeous, gorgeous fashion brand Goelia. I will tell you all of the exact locations of their store. Mid-City Store, Pitt Street Mall, Sydney, ding! Paradise Walk, Beijing, Uniworld, Shenzhen, and K11, Guangzhou. So the exciting part about working with Goelia is that not only am I featuring this gorgeous trench coat is in this video for a reason. Like I said, I'm going to show you this trench coat because it's not like any other London trench coat. It's got some amazing features that I want to show you that will work well with something in this box. So the other thing about Goelia is not only is this video going to feature them, but I'm also going to do a giveaway with Goelia in another video, and then I'm taking you on the road to get a specialized Jerusha tour of their boutique in Sydney. How cool is that? Thank you so much to Goelia for sponsoring this video, and stay tuned for my next videos with Goelia. I'm so excited to take you guys with me. This is a true unboxing. True. So if you saw my last vlog featuring a true unboxing, and then my explanation in my last video of that true unboxing, it wasn't very successful. Hopefully this one is going to be successful and it's with you guys. So guess what? You will see my reaction. I don't think I really thought this through, and I can't find my unboxing knife, so we are using the kitchen peeling knife. This is my small knife I do the strawberries with. Alrighty. Ah! Okay. Take two. No, it's not what you think. Take two. Oh, cute. So this is the shopping bag included. Is this the collaboration with Messi? I'm not quite sure. You guys can tell me. I'm not really up on collaborations, truthfully. I don't think they're very innovative. I don't, look, if you like Kusama, that's fine, but I'm just, don't get me started. I'm a bit over the dots. Do you know what? After all this time, it is still so exciting, and that is a great thing. All right, let's do this. Enough suspense. Oh, I forgot to show you proof of purchase and return. This was online. The second I got notification from my essay, boom, we got it. Do you have any guesses? Ooh. Sorry, I had to turn it around. These dust bags, trust me, come on VUITTON, come on. Get the drawstrings going. I had to turn it around because it was falling out a little bit. Ta-da! Okay. Guesses? Guesses? Ooh. Oh. Which way round? Oh, it's this way round. Look. Okay, Jerusha had to have it. Jerusha had to have it. Correct name, Mini BUMBAG Monogram. Oh, it's so cute. It's not actually as small as I thought it was going to be. This is my hand. It's really not as small. I thought it was going to be actually quite tiny. I thought it was probably going to be about as big as the front pocket. I've got my PM cosmetic case here so they can go side by side. Do some comparisons already. So this is the mini bum bag in the monogram. It also comes in the new By the Pool, I'd call it Amperant, I guess is the leather, in the pink and in like the nude orange color. This just launched this last week. I don't know how there was one on the site and that I could grab it, but there was. It was just like boom. My essay sent me the link and was like, it's up, and I was like, done. Beautiful. Hello, let's look at the embossing. Very nice. Louis Vuitton in gold. I'll probably have to get you some cutaways because the lights are so bright. Each of these buttons in the front has Louis Vuitton engraved in them. Very nice. The zippers, of course, are the LV either side. And then what is so cool about this bum bag, like, you know, the Nano Noe. I keep going to say Neo Nano Noe because it's a new version. So that's going to be our name for it. The Nano Noe now is that obviously there's a lot more offerings such as the top handle and the chain and things like that. And then with the loop as well is a lot more offerings with the chain. So this guy, let's show you the features. So it's got the little front pocket like so, and that's just a simple little pocket. Ooh, it's got the beautiful Alcantara lining. That's nice. Oh, that's really nice. So that's big enough. Car key, maybe cards. We will maybe do a mini what fits. Do you guys want to do that? I know you guys like seeing that. So there's a D-ring on either side. Let's open up the main compartment. It's got a zip around, so very much like the bum bag MM, which is beautiful, the zip around. However, it does have the lip. This is nice because it doesn't have the lip covering the zipper, which in the Palm Springs, they took it away because it was such an issue. In the bum bag MM, they haven't taken it away. I just keep mine flipped up. That's not great, but this doesn't have one, which is so cool. So there is the interior again, beautiful Alcantara. So like this, so the microfiber lining, but the soft lining. Louis Vuitton, made in Italy, stamped beautifully there. We know that was the issue with my Noe. So gorgeous. This is the first strap we get in 2 parts, yes, like so, and it is pre-patinaed or more of a caramel vachetta, which is gorgeous. I prefer it now. So 2 pieces like so, because it is a belt bag, a bum bag. This has beautiful engraving. It really, really does. So each buckle, I will get cutaways, has Louis Vuitton engraved in it. All your clasps have their LVs. And this this is beautiful. This is really beautiful. So there we go. So also the fact it's a bum bag, very much like the You can obviously sling it over your shoulder. So you definitely have that wearable aspect, which actually the model in the campaign is holding it. There we go. Oh my God, cute. And then, just like the loop, there's some dust, flyaway dust in there. So just like the loop, we get this ball chain, and this is a really beautiful ball chain. There is our textile card. I will open the invoice and give you the actual SKU and then tell you the price of this guy. So there is our interior, okay, so there is our interior, quite spacious indeed. I think you would get a lot of items sort of stacked in there, and I think they would hold nicely. It's not one of those, you know, little, you know, mini bags that you open and you, like everything falls out, that type thing. Here is this beautiful curved ball chain. They are so weighty. I don't know if that comes across in the videos. If you've seen other videos on the loop, it's really, really weighty, which is beautiful. But there it is. So there it is as a chain. Obviously, you can just throw it on like a little mini bag over your shoulder, I guess. Or you can just leave it hanging like so. Or you can have it off altogether. But gorgeous! Oh, gorgeous. I'm much happier with this unboxing than mine away. So, let's show you why this guy is behind me. Here we go. This is the ultimate in chic. Second I saw this trench coat and this bum bag, I was just like, yes, please. Definitely wear this as a bum bag. Not so much the it's not, you know, my favorite kind of thing to wear as a bum bag. I wouldn't really, I find it a bit too kind of masculine in a way, but this, so cute. As I said, let's do a what fits nice and quickly. The most important thing, obviously, is your phone. Usually, sometimes a lot of people say it's in their hand or in their back pocket or in their car or something like that. But you want to see if it fits anyway. And that's always a really good sign. And very nice. Perfect. With room to spare on either end, which is nice to know. You're not sort of shoving. I think that's always a good thing to keep in mind, is you don't want to sort of shove. I keep my sunnies in my Celine bags, and this is their old cases with the velvet. Trust me, if I could have every single model, I would. I did get asked why I haven't got the new Triumph, the new very blogger-esque Triumph with this Triumph on the side, and you get a little purse. Maybe there might be an unboxing coming. But Celine sunnies, if you've followed me, they're pretty much all I wear. I've had so many different brands and I just go back to Celine's. So they're in their case, that's not going to fit, and I'm not shoving. A mini pochette. Which, why would you do that? Okay, so pochette and pochette, not working. I know that we do this quite a lot. For 4 key, you may have a 6 key, obviously going in very nicely. I will put my car key. This is keyless entry, which most cars are. So that's on my luggage tag. I don't necessarily need to keep it on my luggage tag. Yeah, I won't do that. That's just frustrating. Down inside there, and it can actually stand up a little bit. Maybe it can't. Yeah, it can, because the lip goes over. So if you wanted to bring a lippy, my YSL, I have it on today. Ding! No, I don't. Lies! I have 23 on today. Either way, liquid lipstick, amazing. Ears! Okay, they would be needed very much. Ooh, so cute. You can fit your ears and your car key down inside the front pocket. Boom. So cute. I love little things like that. Sure, you got to keep in mind you got to get it out again, but still, very, very nice. Compact Chanel zip around wallet is what I'm using. So let's just pack this for me today. I have my multi-pochette as my round coin purse. at the moment, not on my multi-pochette, but that is that. My catch-all at the moment is still my Who Are You? Toiletry 15. I would probably have to get a few things out separately. So say my liquid lippy, although I probably wouldn't put that in there, but that is probably max. If you do want to shove like cards in separately, you know, things like that, points cards, I guess you could do that sort of behind if that's really necessary for you. However, it's pretty much what I have had in my last bag anyway. But yeah, ooh, it's got some weight to it, but it's so, hello, so cute. And I think this reminds me so much of the BUMBAG MM because, you know, you'd sling that crossbody and it was just kind of like, you know, more of a vibe than wearing it on your belt. However, that trench outfit, so cute. Louis Vuitton are adding things. It's just that more like sort of bang for your buck. That sounds really crass, but do you see what I'm trying to say? At least you get like a bit more for these prices. So let's share that with you. Price. So here's all my return information, DHL. Amazing. You can do same day DHL delivery on, there's a charge obviously, but it will just arrive on your doorstep within a certain period of time. Just really, really good delivery Louis Vuitton have, and free return as well. They will come and pick it up. The SKU for this, it's the mini BUMBAG M82335. I purchased this. I actually got a return. I got a return for the Nano. It's not an exchange. So here in Australia, this beautiful little moment retails for $2,930. That's correct. I think, what did I just pay for the Nano? So I paid for the Nano Noe, I paid $2,750. So obviously $930. So you've got your difference there. Do I believe you get more bang for your buck? Probably the size of this is bigger or slash comparable. It's different because obviously the Noe doesn't do up, it's a drawstring and things sit almost like above them, whereas this has a zipper, so it's worth, you know, that little extra bit. You're getting 2 compartments, you don't have any compartments in the Noe. Does that make sense? I'm trying to justify it. Woo! So that is it. I love when things make me so excited like that. I hope you can see it from my side of the camera. So I truthfully want to thank today's video sponsor and up and coming videos as well. Please stay tuned for that. I do want to show you how this beautiful clothing brand is packaged. I mean, it's just exquisitely done. Everything about it is just so impeccable in its design, and for me to see that, especially because of my boutique and the way I really wanted to present my boutique, was just that sort of, you know, just done really, really well, and almost like theirs, an experience to walk into these beautiful, beautiful boutiques. That is that. I do hope you like my new little friend. True unboxing. Far better outcome than the last one. If you watched that vlog, I'll link it below. So that is it, guys. If you enjoyed that video, please go ahead and give me a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already and wish to do so, there is a button below. I would super appreciate that, guys. I hope everybody is doing well. I will see you in my next video. Take care. Peace.